Hello again and welcome to Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English. We're drinking a lot of tea on today's lesson. We're looking at the continuous tenses and a big overview of all of them. For example, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and the future perfect continuous. Confused? Don't worry. I'm here to help. Present continuous, the verb to be, I am, he is, she is, you are, they are. The verb to be plus ing. For example, I am drinking my tea. Past continuous, again the verb to be, but in the past. I was drinking my tea at 7 o'clock this morning. What's the time now? 11. Okay. Future continuous, will plus the verb to be plus ing. I will be drinking my tea at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And the perfect tenses, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. We'll look at them all in detail in just a moment. Couple of things to remember. Continuous, ing, means temporary. It's got a beginning and it's got an end. It's not forever, it's temporary. Beginning, end. Continuous for that time. Remember that, it's important. So, ready for some more information? Some more detailed information about continuous tenses? Here we go, have a look at this. Okay, so the continuous tenses in English. Let's start with a timeline. We are here. Now. The time of speaking. The time of speaking. TS, time of speaking. Now. What's the time now? 11 o'clock in the morning. Okay. We are here. I am drinking my tea. I started before now. I will finish after now, so we're in the middle of me drinking my tea. I am drinking my tea, present continuous. I am drinking my tea. The same idea in the past. Let's think. Now it's 11 o'clock. Let's have a look at this morning at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in the morning, I was drinking my tea. I started before 7, I finished after 7. At 7 o'clock, it's in the middle of the action. I was drinking my tea. I was drinking. Past continuous. So, logically, in the future, let's look forward from now to tomorrow morning. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. I start drinking my tea before 7. I finish drinking my tea after 7. So at 7 o'clock tomorrow, it's in the middle of the action. I will be drinking my tea. I will be drinking my tea. Continuous tenses, the verb to be plus ing. So, present continuous, I am drinking. Past continuous, I was drinking. Future continuous, I will be drinking. Into the future, you need will. The verb to be plus ing. After will, it's always infinitive. English is so logical, isn't it? Future continuous, I will be drinking my tea at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So, logically again, remember, present perfect continuous. Present perfect is up until now. So, I have been drinking tea, let me have a look, since 7 o'clock. I have been drinking. I love my tea. The same idea in the past. Let's go up to 7 o'clock this morning. Past perfect continuous. I had been drinking my tea when there was a knock at the door. I had been drinking my tea when there was a knock at the door. Again, the same idea into the future. I will have been drinking my tea for 10 minutes before 7 o'clock tomorrow. So there we are, a review of all the continuous tenses. So the continuous tenses in English are quite logical, really. Present continuous, around now. Past continuous, around a time in the past. And future continuous, something going on around a time in the future. Have a look at this. So, to recap, present continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous, and future perfect continuous. What a lot of continuous tenses. Present perfect, I am drinking. I am drinking my tea. The verb to be, I am, he is, she is, you are. I am drinking my tea. Present perfect continuous, I have been drinking. I have been drinking my tea since 7 o'clock. Perfect with the verb to have. Continuous, ing, be plus ing, I have been drinking. Past continuous, I was drinking. I was drinking my tea. Past perfect continuous, I had been. I had been drinking my tea for 2 hours. I drink a lot of tea. It goes on a long time. I had been drinking my tea for 2 hours when there was a knock at the door. Future continuous. Into the future, I will. After will, infinitive. I will, because you make continuous with the verb to be plus ing, it's I will be drinking. I will be drinking my tea at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Future perfect continuous. I will into the future. Perfect, you make with the verb have plus third form, so I will, and because it's will, it's infinitive after will, so it will have. Third form, I will have been, be was been. I will have been drinking my tea for 10 minutes before 7 o'clock. So there we are, wonderful overview of all the continuous tenses. I hope that's useful. I bet it is. Be plus ing. I have been drinking. Have plus been plus ing. I was drinking. Again, the verb to be plus ing. I had been drinking. Past perfect continuous. Had plus third form. Been plus ing. Into the future. Will. Will plus infinitive, the verb to be, plus ing. Future perfect continuous. Will plus have plus third form plus ing. All the lovely tenses that you could ever wish for. Enjoy. Another nice thing about the continuous tenses, the ing form, the ing form, is that it paints a picture in the listener's mind. For example, I was drinking my tea at 7 o'clock this morning. You can see a picture. I'm sitting there, I've got my teapot, I've got my mug of tea, and the picture is there, the duration. It takes time to drink tea. It's got a beginning, it's got an end, duration, and a picture. There's emotion. You can see it all using the continuous form in English. So, English grammar, the continuous tenses, easy peasy. Where's my cup? There it is. I'm drinking some more tea. We'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.